Mastering the Mix. Unleash your creativity with Virtual DJ. Host, Eston Loyford. Hey there, music enthusiasts. It's your pal Eston Loyford, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're diving deep into the world of DJ software, focusing on the powerhouse that is Virtual DJ. Whether you're just starting out or looking to explore a new dimension of mixing, Virtual DJ has got your back. Let's embark on this journey of beats, rhythms, and endless possibilities. Unveiling Virtual DJ. So, what's the buzz about Virtual DJ? Well, it's a game-changing audio and video mixing software developed by Atomix Productions back in 2003. Picture this. The DJ industry experienced a digital revolution in the late 90s, sparking a frenzy of interest in mixing software. This era brought about an explosion of budding DJs eager to craft musical experiences like never before. Navigating Virtual DJ. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Virtual DJ is all about giving you control. The kind that lets you shape your mix exactly the way you envision it. For beginners, the software is a treasure trove of tutorials and helpful pop-up boxes that guide you through every setting and function. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, you'll appreciate the ease of learning and using the software. Unique features of Virtual DJ. Now, let's talk about what sets Virtual DJ apart from the crowd. Imagine having a digital equalizer at your fingertips. Not a common feature in many mixing software. This becomes your secret weapon if you're not using a traditional DJ controller. But wait, there's more. Virtual DJ isn't just about audio. It lets you mix videos and even control lighting setups. It's a versatile dream for DJs, sound engineers, and even video technicians. Streaming services and beyond. Brace yourselves for innovation. Virtual DJ goes beyond the norm by allowing integration with streaming services. SoundCloud Go Plus subscribers, this one's for you. You can mix your SoundCloud library directly through the software. And guess what? It's also linked with Beatport, letting you mix without the need to download songs. Oh, and did I mention it's a perfect match for non-standard controllers like tablets and phones? Subscription options. Let's talk subscriptions. While there's a free version of Virtual DJ, its real magic unfolds with its subscription plans. For DJ controller connectivity, you'd want to activate the Home Plus subscription. Looking for all the bells and whistles? The Pro license is your go-to, offering access to all the essential features at an affordable $19 per month. If you're running a venue or need multiple licenses, there's the Business plan with full support from Virtual DJ's customer service team. How to get started with Virtual DJ? Ready to dive in? Here's your step-by-step guide. Downloading the software. Head to the Virtual DJ website, download, and install the software. Creating your account. Launch the software, create a Virtual DJ account, and confirm via the code sent to your email. Setting up sound card. Access the settings menu, select internal sound card, and apply. Importing music. Drag and drop tracks from folders, stream via iTunes, or drag files from your computer. Analyzing your music. Batch analyze tracks for BPM, key, and play count. Essential shortcuts. 1. Learn key shortcuts for playing, syncing, and more. Connecting DJ controllers. Want to use your DJ controller? Follow these steps. USB connection. Plug your controller into your computer's USB port. Configure sound card. Virtual DJ will recognize your controller. Choose the sound card option if available. Check settings. Make sure your controller is set as the device and sound card in the settings menu. Customizing your interface. Feeling creative? You can customize the Virtual DJ interface by choosing from different layouts or downloading more skins. It's all about making your mixing experience truly yours. Virtual DJ versus other software. The ultimate question: how does Virtual DJ stack up against the competition? If you're a beginner craving a user-friendly experience and detailed tutorials, Virtual DJ shines. Unlike some other software, it offers the versatility of handling entire events, from mixing to lighting and video control. Plus, its comprehensive settings section makes it a breeze to navigate. So, there you have it, my friends. A comprehensive guide to conquering Virtual DJ. Remember, it's not about the tools you use, but how you use them that makes a DJ truly remarkable. Embrace the journey, experiment fearlessly, and let the beats guide you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring that notification bell. Until next time, keep the music alive and keep those mixes flowing. This is Eston Loyford, signing off. Peace out.